next journey, right? But just getting things cleaned out a little bit, gonna brush out all the leaves and stuff. And yeah, this is something that got to do every once in a while, especially at stops that you might be staying at a little bit longer, just to keep up maintenance. I'm gonna probably take this thing, we just got an oil change, but probably gonna just take this thing to just get inspection, make sure it's all good. But we're gonna keep cleaning and doing our daily tasks and hanging out with the dog. Oh, see, this is the right brush that we need. Move this over here. Oh my God. Oh, got my eye though. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's working way better.